Hi guys, if you've been following my good morning videos every morning, you'll have noticed the rhubarb has grown up again. We've had one harvest off it. I've been sent out here to harvest this lot. Don't know if I can do it with one hand. There we go. You literally just pull it. And for those of you who know about rhubarb, we make no attempt to force it, where you put something round it and it forces it to grow up taller. We just let this grow as it is. And you see there's another leaf coming up there as well. Oh, not the camera. Oh dear, I pulled off the one that was growing up anyway. Never mind, there'll be more. In fact, that's another one there. So, there you go. That's the next crop of rhubarb. So I expect that means we'll be eating rhubarb crumble for the next week or something. Before we take it inside, I'll just chop the leaves off because we don't need all that. A knife there, and it'll go in our green waste there. There we are. Doesn't look quite so much when you've chopped the leaves off. But that's still more than just the two of us are going to eat in a hurry. Is that blueberries?
Yeah, frozen blue.
Okay. And apparently that's softening the butter in the sunlight because it was in the fridge frozen solid. Butter, and what else?
Flour and a bit of caster sugar.
Flour and a bit of caster sugar.
Not measured.
And that's the rhubarb and blueberries boiling, simmering. Nanny wants me to tell you there's also cinnamon and sugar added into that mix. That's cinnamon, sugar, rhubarb, blueberries. I expect there's some water in there. Just had a taste test.
It's fine.
What's next? So the difference between this one and the one we did a few weeks ago is you're making the crumble yourself this time.
Yeah.
Instead of cheating.
And it looks very different. I'm not putting it in the oven yet.
Right. Okay, we'll be back later then. In the oven. Oh, you can't see that. 27 minutes. Fan assisted oven. Where are we? 180?
70.
170. Lightly browned.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Job done. So, rhubarb crumble with Greek yogurt. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.